Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your AT&T account is active and your gateway is online. This avoids wasted steps. Next, install the Smart Home Manager app on your phone and grant location and network permissions so the app can detect devices. Sign in with your AT&T user ID. If the app asks for two-step verification, complete it now. Once done, the app will scan the local network for your gateway and connected devices. This initial discovery is essential to manage settings and see real-time status. After discovery, review the device list and rename unknown entries. Clear names make future troubleshooting faster. Use grouping to assign devices to rooms or categories, because grouped controls let you apply settings quickly across multiple items. Then configure device priority for bandwidth so streaming or work devices get precedence. Make schedules for family or guest access and enable basic parental controls where needed. These middle steps shape how your network behaves daily, so take time to verify each device and group assignment for accuracy. To finalize setup, run the built-in speed test and enable smart Wi-Fi optimization. This tunes channels and power for better coverage. Check security settings, turn on firewall protections, create a guest network with a unique password, and install any firmware updates the app recommends. If devices misbehave, restart the gateway and affected client devices first. If problems persist, use the app's troubleshooting wizard or perform a factory reset only after saving settings. One key tip: if connectivity drops, restart in this order: gateway, modem, then devices to clear stateful errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.